Good afternoon. Here is your Iteris weekend weather briefing for February 8th, 2019. Mostly clear and cold conditions are seen across the state late this morning, with temperatures still in the teens below zeros across much of the north and east, with some single-digit above zero temperatures in the Black Hills. A few roadways are still reporting some compacted snow from the system that went through on Thursday. However, generally good driving conditions are seen across most of the state. Dry conditions will be seen across the state this afternoon and through the evening hours. But late tonight, generally after midnight, we will see the chance of some light snow showers develop in the northwest and north central as a weak low pressure system starts to slide across far southern South Dakota. Taking a closer look at one of the segments in the northwest portion of the state, we do see about 2 to 3/10 of an inch of snow possible overnight into the early morning portions of Saturday. And this is fairly representative of the light snow that will move through the northwest and north central. Looks like we are going to see some gusty winds out of the east as well, and they may keep those roads clear from the snow accumulating on them, but there will be some light drifting and blowing snow. On Saturday, the light snow will push through the northeast and kind of lift north of the state, but there could be some remaining flurries across much of the west and north through the remainder of the day on Saturday. Can't even rule out some spotty freezing mist or drizzle mixing in portions of the southwest and west central during the day on Saturday. The gusty east to southeast winds will shift into the central and east on Saturday, and that could cause some light blowing and drifting snow, especially across the north central and northeast throughout the day, but expect those winds to decrease late in the afternoon and evening hours. Later Saturday night and Sunday, a second low pressure system is expected to develop in northeast Colorado and slide across Nebraska, bringing a band of light snow to much of the state. A general 1 to 3 inches of snow is expected from late Saturday night and through the day on Sunday, generally moving from the southwest to northeast across the state. And isolated heavier amounts could be seen, especially in the northern Black Hills, with the potential of a little heavier band in the southeast as well, depending on just exactly where that low pressure system will track. Taking a look at a segment along I-90 from Murdo to Vivian. For that snow event on Sunday, we do see the snow chances increase early Sunday morning, with the best chance through the morning hours on Sunday, likely tapering off by early afternoon, at least through the central part of the state. Here we have up to about 2 inches of snow falling. It looks like we will also see some gusty northwest winds into the low to mid-20s, and that may help to keep the road dry, but there will be some patrol for trouble spot maintenance recommendations in case there is some finger drifting or pillow drifts along the road. This segment will be fairly representative of most of the segments across the state as this light snow band does move through on Sunday. Here's another look at that band of light snow expected late Saturday night and Sunday. Using the national forecasts under the tools selection, you can select the future radar and then zoom in on the state. We do see that band weakening as it does lift to the northeast through the day. Sunday night, there will be a chance of flurries across the state, possibly even a few light snow showers in the west. Waiting on a third low pressure system that could bring accumulating snow and wind to the state on Monday. Air temperature will be well below normal through the weekend across the state, but we will see at least a little reprieve from the cold Arctic air that we are seeing this morning. To recap, we will see that chance of light snow develop in portions of the north overnight tonight, continuing in the north, especially the northeast on Saturday, with some flurries elsewhere. General accumulation should be under 1/2 of an inch. Some flurries may linger on Saturday night as we get into Sunday. Another band of snow will move across the state, generally from the south and west to the north and east. Most areas will see 1 to 3 inches of snow possible from that band, probably the least amount in the northeast, as that band is expected to weaken as it reaches that area. Going to see limited road impacts from these light snow events over the weekend, just due to the gusty winds expected with them, along with the cold temperatures. They should help to keep those roads mainly clear, although do expect some light blowing and drifting snow, and that could cause some finger and or pillow drifts on some of the roadways. Also, keep an eye for that potential snow and wind event that is expected to move into the region during the day on Monday and could continue into Tuesday. If you do have any questions or comments on the forecast, please call the iTerra's Forecaster Desk at 888-977-8726. This has been your iTerra's Weekend Weather Briefing. We hope you have a great weekend.